So you're joining the Gadabout Dad here in wet and windy Scarborough. The weather's not great. I've come down for a little bit of a sort of a wedding, but more about that later on. I've managed to book a hotel for £25. What will £25 get you here in Scarborough? Come with me and find out. Can you believe £25 a night for this? Well, you'd be right not to, because it was £25 a night for this. I'm in room 144. It smells very much like a new carpet, so I'm assuming it's had a bit of a refurb lately. It seems nice enough. Floors are a bit creaky. Tea and coffee in your rooms. Oops, wrong way. Not sure about that view. Maybe the one in my room's a bit better. 144, so it's a bit out the way, 144. Here we are, 144. So this is a £25 a night room. Yeah, looks okay. It's quite nice, it's spacious, some nice artwork. Windows, I don't know if you can tell, windows look a little bit filthy. And I'll be honest, this is not the best view of Scarborough. Some nice curtains. Don't think this is bad at all. Television, some fresh towels. I'll check the bed out and I'll report back to you. Got a little seating area. Nice comfy chair. A little bit of wear and tear. Nothing too major. Kettle, some tea, coffee. Breakfast food menu, drinks and snacks menu. Let's have a look in the bathroom. Some more towels. Proper shower. It's very nice. I think for £25 a night you can't really complain. Nice full length mirror. Plenty of hangers. Bed is so comfortable, these pillows are amazing. One tiny issue, and this has nothing to do with the hotel, apart from the fact that some of the guests they have might be a little bit rough around the edges. 3:30 in the morning, upstairs, major row. Bang, 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 stamp, stamp, stamp on the floor. It was just, went on for so long. So really bad night's sleep. But no complaints, 25 quid. You can't complain, you can't complain. Obviously there's other little additional extras you'll see as we go through. I've got 2 nights here though, so I'm hoping tonight I will get a much better sleep. But I'll report back, I'll let you know what tomorrow's sleep was like. Let's go and see what breakfast has to offer. If you need your towels topping up, if you need fresh tea and coffee, they will do that. They don't make your bed, they don't tidy the room. You'll empty your bin. Other than that, you don't get much room service. So in the hot food section, there's bacon, sausages, hash browns, mushrooms, tomatoes, scrambled eggs, and lovely baked beans. You can even have some corn sausages if you want. The usual cereals, quite a wide selection. Frosties are my particular favourite. Then we've got assorted yogurts and fruit. There's a tea and coffee station, lots of different types of coffees, espressos, hot chocolates, really wide selection. Then there's fruit juices, you can have apple juice, orange juice, water. The orange juice is delicious. Then there's some pancakes, there's some toast, croissants, bagels. Really good selection for breakfast. Don't you just love a cooked breakfast, especially when someone else has cooked it? How do they do this breakfast, you may ask, for £25 a night? You don't. You have to pay separately for the breakfast. It's £9.75 per person per night. But you know what? It's unlimited. There is a lot here, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm just fighting to get into the jam. So yeah, it's well worth that extra £10. I'd say go for it. You paid not for the room anyway. Nice little bar area. Never used it. reception. Oh, it's a much calmer day in Scarborough today. The sun is shining, the sea is a lot calmer. Second night's sleep, it was much better. Our noisy neighbours above appear to have gone, so I slept like a baby. Super comfy bed, super comfy pillows, no complaints whatsoever. Well done.